Hello friends, this is Seher from Easy Peasy, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is called as operations in scientific notation. Now before we start the operations, let's do a little bit recap of what is scientific notation. So scientific notation is a way to write a very large or a very small number using this formula. Here the A is a number between 1 to 10, and this little tiny n on the top is the integer. It can be positive or it can be negative depending on we are calculating a very large value into scientific notation or a very small number into a scientific notation respectively. The examples include 4.5 into 10 raised power 6 and 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, now let's go to the operations with scientific notations. The operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So the first operation that we are going to talk about is multiplication in scientific notation. The rule for multiplication in scientific notation is that multiply the numbers and then add the exponent. Here we are going to multiply A with B, and then we are going to add this teeny tiny m with the teeny tiny n on the top of 10. So the exponents are going to add and the coefficients are going to multiply. Let's take an example. Okay, so this is our example. Here we have 3 into 10 raised to power 4 and 2 into 10 raised to power 3. First, what we need to do is we need to multiply the numbers. So 3 multiplied 2 is 6, right? And then we are going to add the exponent. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then we just need to put them together. That will become 6 into 10 raised to power 7, right? Easy peasy. Next, let's take another example. This time, try to solve it by yourself and then I will solve it. Okay, now let's do it. First, we need to multiply the coefficients, so let's do it. 4.5 into 6 is 27. And then we need to add the exponent, so 6 plus 2 is 8. Now let's put them together. That will become 27 into 10 raised to power 8. Is this the correct answer? No. Why? Because 27 does not lie within the range of 1 to 10. And scientific notation is going to put the number within this range. So what should we do? We need to put a dot or a decimal point after 2 and make it like this. So the decimal is going to jump from here to 7. It will make it 2.7, and then we will add the number in the exponent. So it will become 2.7 into 10 raised to power 9. Little bit tricky, right? Okay. Next, let's go for the division in scientific notation. The rules of division in scientific notations are divide the numbers first and then subtract the exponent. So here we have A into 10 raised to power m and B into 10 raised to power n. First, we need to divide the number and then we will minus n from m in the exponent. Let's take an example. So the example here is this. Now, first, we need to divide the number. 3 divided by 6, the answer is 2. And then we need to minus 2 from 7, that will become 5. Let's put them together. The answer is 2 into 10 raised to power 5. Easy again, right? Okay. Let's do this example. And I'll give you the time. And after that, let's solve it together. Okay, let's start. So first divide the number. That is 4.8. It needs to get divided by 1.6. the answer is 3. And then we are going to minus this 2 with minus 3. When this 2 will go up, it will become minus 2. And minus minus means plus. So 3 plus 2 is 5. We'll keep the minus sign because these are in negative values. So the final answer will be 3 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Let's move on towards addition and subtraction in scientific notation. So the addition and subtraction, the rule says you can only add or subtract numbers if the powers of 10 are same. So what will be the steps? The steps will be make exponents same first, then add or subtract the coefficients. And if the value is not in between 1 to 10, then adjust it to proper scientific notation. Let's take an example. Okay, this is the example that we are going to take. Right now, the exponents in both values are same, that is 5. So first step is already done. What we are going to do is we'll just add 3.2 with 4.5. And the answer will be 7.7. And the exponent will stay the same and it comes with the 7.7. Let's take another example. This time, try to solve it before I solve it. You can pause the video anytime before I give the answer. Okay, now first, let's see the exponents here. Here we have 6, here we have 5. So we can either make this 6 5 by putting this dot here back and make it 60, 60 into 10 raised to power 5. Or we can convert this teeny tiny 5 into 6 by putting this dot over here and make it 0.2 instead of 2. So here what I did is I made this 2 into 0.2 into 10 raised to power 6. Now the exponents are same. Let's add them up. So 6 plus 0.2 is 6.2. And then the exponent will come same as 10 raised to power 6. Okay, now let's wrap it up in easy peasy tips. The easy peasy tips for this video is, if you are going to multiply, you need to add the exponents. If you are going to divide in scientific notation, you need to subtract the exponents. And if you are going to add or subtract in scientific notation, then make sure that the exponents are same. And in the end, always check the value should be lying between 1 to 10. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.